Hello guys, welcome to our classroom. We are learning Marigold for class 2. Let's listen and sing. सुनो और मेरे साथ गाओ. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Brush them every day. Father, mother, brother, sister. Brush them every day. Comb, comb, comb your hair. Comb it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, comb it every day. Wash, wash, wash your face. Wash it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, wash it every day. Let's write. How many words can you make using letters from the word in the picture? One has been done for you. इस पिक्चर में ये जो वर्ड दिया हुआ है, इससे आप कितने सारे शब्द बना सकते हो. एक बनाया गया है जैसे POT पॉट, उसी तरह हमें और शब्द बनाना है इनसे. लेट्स ट्राई. POP पॉप, HIP हिप, HIPPO हिप्पो. Now you try. HOT hot. Circle what you carry in your school bag. Now write the names of few things in the school below, in the box below. जो आप अपने साथ स्कूल बैग में ले जाते हो उन्हें सर्कल करो. पेन, पेंसिल, इरेजर, शार्पनर एंड spectacles, tiffin, water bottle. Let's do what are the children doing. Choose the correct word from the ribbon and then fill in the blanks. बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं और इस रिबन में जो भी वर्ड्स दिए हैं हमें उन्हें इन ब्लैंक्स में भरना है. Eating breakfast, riding a bicycle, going to school, sharing with friends, studying in class, returning from school. Thanks for watching guys. Like and comment and subscribe my channel to motivate me. Watch this video repeatedly till you understand.